Hi, Mia Jane and I found a place to hang out. See, her house is there. And we found this woods behind here. And I brought some hammocks. And so look at what we have now. A path. It'll get better as we use it. And 2 hammocks. Isn't that awesome? It's perfect.
There's a baseball back here.
There's a baseball back here?
Yeah, which blanket do you want?
Doesn't matter. Thank you. It's my color, you see. Oh, there's a spider making himself at home.
Wow.
Well, actually, he's a big little mess right now on there.
Yeah, he'll be playing on that, right?
I know. He wants to play in the hammock too.
Part of the action.
Yeah. Isn't it great to see Mary Jane again? Okay, see you later.
It's my house.
Here, did you want the camera
Oh, good.
to play?
Okay.
Look at her.
I'm ready for bed. Forget sleeping inside. My husband will have to call me. I'm in the hammock. What do you think I am? Hello, Nancy's been here.
I corrupted her. Okay, bye.